I put oil in the pan. I shop for the food. I shop for the food. I eat my meal. I eat my meal. I taste the food. I taste the food. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I peel an onion. I crack an egg. I crack an egg. I put the dishes in the sink. I put the dishes in the sink. I rinse the dishes. I dry the dishes. I cut the vegetables. I chop the tomatoes. I boil some water. I fry the potatoes. I bake a cake. I stir the soup. I pour some milk. I add some salt. I add some salt. I mix the flour. I heat the oven. I heat the oven. I clean the counter. I wipe the table. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I close the fridge. I close the fridge. I take out the butter. I put food on a plate. I put food on a plate. I set the table. I clear the table. I throw away the trash. I fill the kettle. I make some tea. I make some tea. I brew fresh coffee. I brew fresh coffee. I squeeze a lemon. I grate the cheese. I slice the bread. I toast the bread. I toast the bread. I spread some jam. I spread some jam. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I steam the rice. I steam the rice. I cook the pasta. I cook the pasta.